Most people think the only way to make money on Amazon is by selling products. But the truth is, you can earn real income from Amazon without ever handling inventory, shipping packages, or running a store. In this video, we'll go over simple, beginner-friendly ways to make money on Amazon, all from the comfort of your home. These methods are legitimate, easy to start, and require little to no upfront cost. Let's begin with the most popular option, Amazon Associates Program. The first and most common way to earn money on Amazon is through the Amazon Associates Program, also known as affiliate marketing. Here's how it works. You sign up for a free Amazon Associates account. Once approved, you can create special referral links for any product on Amazon. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. You don't need to own a website or an audience to get started. You can share your affiliate links on social media, in blog posts, YouTube descriptions, or even through simple product recommendation videos. Commissions range between 1% and 10%, depending on the product category. It might not sound like much at first, but with consistent effort and a few viral posts or videos, affiliate commissions can become a solid source of passive income. If you want to start earning this way, check the link in the description to learn how to join the Amazon Associates Program today. Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. Another great option is Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP. This allows anyone to self-publish eBooks or paperbacks for free. You upload your content once, and Amazon handles printing, shipping, and customer service. Every time someone buys your book, you earn royalties of up to 70% of the sale price. And you don't need to be a professional writer to succeed. Many people publish simple content like journals, notebooks, coloring books, or short how-to guides. It's a long-term way to build passive income because once your book is live, it can continue selling day and night without any extra work. Amazon Mechanical Turk. If you prefer something that pays more immediately, Amazon's Mechanical Turk, or MTurk, might be a good fit. This platform pays you for completing small online tasks, such as surveys, categorizing images, or data entry jobs. Each task usually takes only a few minutes, and while the pay per task is small, it adds up over time. MTurk is flexible, beginner-friendly, and can be done from any computer or smartphone. It's a simple way to earn extra cash during your free hours, especially if you're just starting out. Amazon Influencer Program. If you're active on social media, you might want to explore the Amazon Influencer Program. It's similar to the Associates Program, but designed specifically for content creators. Once approved, Amazon gives you your own online storefront. You can feature products you recommend and share your storefront link in your videos, bios, or posts. Every time someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. It's an excellent way for influencers, YouTubers, and TikTok creators to monetize their audience while building trust with followers. So, as you can see, there are several ways to make money on Amazon without ever selling physical products. You can earn commissions through the Associates Program, publish books through KDP, complete small tasks on Mechanical Turk, or promote products through the Influencer Program. All of these options can be started right now from home with just a laptop or smartphone. If you're ready to begin, check the link in the description to learn more and take your first step toward making money on Amazon today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to SidefyHub for more simple, practical ways to make money online.